Hey guys, I'm sorry we discarded the other video because my video time ran out. So there is a video timer here for my whole video. So my video is gonna pause a couple times, so that's okay. These are words we recovered last time. Probably you don't know them. Are you in your love? So you should have those words wrote down already. So sorry you weren't watching. Okay. Can people watch when I'm making videos? No, yes.
Not when you're making it, no.
Okay, so you must. So Violet, so I'm sorry, you shouldn't have these words wrote down yet, but I need you to write down these words. I'm gonna give you 1 minute to write down the 4 words. Are you your love? Waiting for 1 minute. Get 1 minute. Yeah, get 1 minute. I'm waiting. Gosh, pencil. And this is my reading buddy. Kissers. So I'm waiting. Okay, time's up. If you didn't get those words written down, just write them down. Okay, now, you must draw a picture. Draw a picture in, I think, 11 minutes. I think that's when my video lasts longer. So, here we go. Start drawing. You watched Troll 2. Did you? I did. It was so good. And Vi, I knew you watched Troll 2, so I'm not asking you. I'm asking all the other people watching. You watched Troll 2. I know you've already watched Troll 2. And how did you like it? I think there should be a thumbs up, I think, down here. Or down here. Down there. Or down there. So, press the subscribe button if you saw this video. I think there should be a link, I think, over here. Oops. Over in that corner or in that corner. Press a link, and I would love to see your drawings. So send me a picture of your drawings that you've made so I can see them because they might be really cool. So, and you might be able to see mine, maybe. I'll definitely post mine. You can post your picture. You can post your picture on Facebook, and maybe you can post some funny, silly videos. Or maybe you should do whatever you want to, and maybe you think I'm your favorite YouTube vlogger. I think I might start doing nature vlogs, maybe. You're going to hear some texting on that side because my mom is doing something. And Violet, I think there should be, I don't know, but I think over here, I don't know if there's one that you can make your own video, but I don't know. I don't know much about vlogging, I'll tell you that. This is actually my first show on YouTube I've actually made. I've made some just videos before trying to be on YouTube, but I've never really been on YouTube. And I'll post my drawing on Instagram so you guys can see. And if you guess what I'm drawing, I might give you a t-shirt or something. And make sure all your people are smiling if you're drawing people. Or you could have some frowny faces, but I don't like frowny faces. Fine, you guessed it. I'm drawing a house. You didn't really have to guess, but told you. And your characters aren't going to be perfect. They're just going to be my family. I'm going to draw my family, my mom, and probably my house, and probably like some things. So just text me when you finish your picture. It might take longer than you think, but if you finish it for the whole video, then neat. Here's my picture to start. It's some tough pencil there. Some tough pencil, so you can actually see it. So some cool things happen when you're drawing. Your hand starts shaking and you're really excited to draw. When people bring up draw, I love to color. Like, I just love to color. So if you ever wonder, why is there no sound on this? There's a little microphone and it says cross. It's crossed. I don't think we could do this video.
No,
Okay.
you're good.
Okay, good. So, sorry, I just had a little effusion there. So, I'm just coloring my house. You can totally finish your drawing. And this is actually nighttime. You should be watching it at probably in like 2 minutes, but it takes a while to upload these videos. So, it's probably not going to happen. I'm just going to get my colored pencils to actually finish this off. Gonna make our house some purplish. So, I think I might do something different than purplish. I'm gonna do, I think, it might be purple. I'm just gonna sharpen my purple. I'm gonna sharpen it. I'm gonna color my house blue. I mean purplish, like violet. I'm talking about my pencil, not my friend guy, okay? I've already posted a video that my mom still has to unlink. Mr. Bunny fell. That my mom still has to unlink, but they're really cool. So, you should wait for some new videos. You should be excited when my mom posts videos. And you've probably already seen my 2. I'm not reading today. For a reason. I have probably, like, I think I might do one more video. I really don't know. And I watch my videos over and over. So, this is my picture. It's finished. This is my picture. You can probably, this is mine. You're still probably finishing up your picture. But we're going to move on to the next thing. And if you've already finished your picture, then we're moving on to the next thing. Now, The next thing is different than drawing, but you still have to write. You have a marker, just bring it out. I really don't care about markers, so just bring out one of your unfavorite markers. I'm bringing out one of my favorite writer markers. This is a, I think, contour marker, but I really don't know because I can't read. I can't read tiny letters yet. Can you? If the grown-ups watching, read it. The grown-ups watching. If a grown-up is watching. And just send me a link for what it is. I'm gonna write Oz. I'm gonna get Oz. Oz. Ozma. Ozma. Heart. Ozma heart. So my marker really doesn't work on that. But then I'm gonna draw me, a self-portrait. So I'm gonna draw a big head. My real name is Valerie, so don't get confused. So I'm gonna kinda do my eyes. Okay, just my eyes. Oops, I can't adjust my eyes a little bigger on this side. So, probably weird, but I cannot get everything perfect. You might not be able to see my yellow hair. I'm kind of drawing me in like blonde forms. I'm probably sorry. My container. Yeah. Everything's pretty nice around here. Who misses school? And Vi, you're gonna start missing school. For real, girl. For real. I'm just erasing my mouth because your mouth is really light. So I'm like lightly erasing my mouth. Here, this is me. Can you even see my mouth? You cannot see my mouth. Okay, good. I did that, and I probably have another page left. So I'm just gonna here's a test. I'm gonna rip this page out. One sec. Yeah, can't rip the page out. All my pages are collected. So I'm gonna find a stuffed animal. I'm gonna draw Mr. Bunny. So I'm gonna put Mr. Bunny right here. So first I should draw a head. Oh, way too big. But pick a tiny stuffed animal and draw it. And I'm gonna give one of my guys an option to draw. I knew I saw one, but here. You can either draw this guy. Here. Right here. Either draw this guy. Right here. Can you stand? Find something that I can draw. No, it works. There we go. How about spacecraft? Spacecraft. You you'll be able to figure out when Shug it. Actually, just memorize him.